Welcome in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Defender 110 D300 X-Dynamic HSE with an eye-catching Santorini Black exterior complementing the black exterior pack. This Defender 110 also comes fitted with LED headlights, 22-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry and privacy glass. Stepping inside the Defender now, we're just going to take a look at the Meridian surround sound system, as well as the driver's seat memory function, electric window controls and blind spot assist. Also coming fitted with electric front seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then just coming up to that digital driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle as well as a 2-zone climate control and the extremely responsive 11.4-inch PIVI Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Defender now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.